Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use link a reel feature on Instagram. Let's have a look. First, open Instagram on your smartphone. Try to create a new reel. Tap plus sign from bottom. Now select a video that you want to use as reel. Edit your reel and tap next. Tap add a caption. Then enter the title for your video. Here you will see the new option link a reel. Tap link a reel. Select a reel that you want to link. However, you can only pick one reel at a time. Then tap add a title. Add a title for the linked reel. You can type video title or you can use part 2 next reel or other title. Tap OK on top right. Here you will see video title and linked reel title. Tap share button to share your reel. When anyone watch your reel, they can tap linked title to check your linked reel. If you want to edit linked title, tap 3 dot on top right, then tap edit linked reel. Now you can change reel title and you can change reel. If you want to remove a linked reel on Instagram, simply tap 3 dot on top right and tap edit linked reel. Tap unlink. This will remove linked reel on Instagram. So these are the steps to use link a reel feature on Instagram. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.